What's up, everyone? Today we are going to unbox the Poco C65. So this was actually just released this month of November. So let's go ahead and unbox the phone. Okay. So this is the first time that I'll be unboxing and actually testing or even gonna use a Poco phone. Let's see. Right, so we have the phone obviously, so it's off. This how should the manufacturer box their phone. We have the startup guide, manual, so if you want to recycle it, you could use it as a toilet paper, I guess. So we have here a USB Type-C cable, your power brick, what's this? And that's it. That's it. Pan set. So there's no free case. So what we have here is the blue version. It's just back. Anyway, I'll just post it back later. So the Poco C65. Well, right at the back, so we have MediaTek Helio G85, a 50 megapixels AI triple camera, 90 hertz display or refresh rate, 18-watt fast charging, and 5,000 milliamp battery. So besides having the camera at the back, which is the 50 megapixels, we also have 2 megapixels at the back. But seems like there's 3 cameras. So don't know. So now at the front we have an 8 megapixels. And the good thing about this phone is that it has Gorilla Glass. So that means this glass is durable. So actually I think this is the first version of Gorilla Glass. So which was released I think 2010 or 2012. So we have the 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. Now it's 5.1 Bluetooth actually, but not sure it's 5.1 or 5.3. Sorry guys. So when I do unboxing, I just never actually watch other people's video. So just to make sure that my unboxing experience is as authentic as possible. Alright. So what else did we miss? I think that's it. So we're gonna go ahead and test this phone. Well, let's just remove this first. Let's see. Let's be careful. Because there is no free screen protector to this phone. actually nice. It says blue, but it's depending on the lighting, it could be gray. Nice. We have a big chin here. It's obvious we have a chin on the glass. So at the back, or forget, so the back is made up of plastic, of course. What do you expect with this budget phone? So actually this is only gonna cost you 4,999 pesos for this kind of specs. It's actually impressive, to be honest. You have the Gorilla Glass, 90 Hertz. It's okay. At least it's not 60. 50 megapixels, and you have a Helio G85 processor. So it is not bad specs or specifications, and even the price point, actually it's impressive. So we're gonna go ahead and test this phone for gaming. So this was made for gaming. Poco is always made for gaming, and we'll test how good their camera is. Testing the side fingerprint scanner is effortless, with minimal unsuccessful unlocks occurring only because I didn't place my finger properly at times. Browsing on this phone was smooth without any lags. I appreciated the adaptation of the discovery page in the UI, allowing easy access to articles that I regularly read and kept updated. Let's discuss the gaming performance. The phone is equipped with the MediaTek Helio G85 processor and 6GB RAM, making gameplay quite impressive. Playing Mobile Legends is exceptionally smooth even with the default graphics settings set to high frame rate and medium graphics. Similarly, PUBG Mobile runs smoothly with HD graphics and high frame rate settings. In Call of Duty Mobile, operates smoothly as well, although in low graphic settings and medium frame rates. It plays seamlessly without any noticeable issues. Lastly, Firelight runs at normal graphic settings with medium frame rates and low resolutions. Throughout my gaming experience, I didn't encounter any lag or frame drops, ensuring a consistently smooth gaming session. Now let's talk about the camera. The phone packs 50 megapixels rear camera with 2 megapixels macro camera and an 8 megapixels front-facing camera. We have taken numerous photos to evaluate how this phone competes with others featuring similar specifications. Surprisingly, the phone captures exceptional close-up shots without AI manipulation of the subject's color and with a subtle blur effect. Upon examining this sample, you'll notice that the default shot is brighter while the focus shot appears dim. This is unexpected because typically when you tap the focus, it brightens the subject. This shot is impressive. The camera executed the autofocus admirably, producing a nice blur effect. Taken with the 50 megapixels camera, even when zoomed 5 times, this photo retains the vase's design remarkably well. In this shot, there is no noticeable difference in quality, even when the photo is zoomed in. Surprisingly, both photos captured accurate colors. The HDR photo sample demonstrates decent result. In the initial photo, the background appears washed out, but with the HDR feature, some details in the background becomes visible. During low light testing, the photos start to lose sharpness and some blurriness is noticeable on the subject. Now let's discuss the front-facing camera. The portrait mode's bokeh effect is a bit too aggressive for my preference. Fortunately, even after capturing the photo, you can adjust bokeh effect within the app gallery. We have 3 samples here. If you're unaware, the iPhone's front-facing camera does not apply beautifications. It captures the photo as it is. Upon careful examination, you'll notice the similarity in quality between the Poco back camera and iPhone front-facing camera, with a slight difference in skin tone. However, with the Poco's front-facing camera, there are artificial black spots, making the subject, to put it lightly, less presentable. Applying 20% beautification reveals almost no enhancement, similar to the iPhone 14 Pro camera sample. What we have observed is that the default 20% settings is close to the zero beautification or no beautification at all. In this sample, the Poco and iPhone produced almost identical photo quality. As the beautification level increases, the skin tone becomes softer. Now, let's test the front-facing camera's video performance.
We're testing the Poco C65 front-facing camera, and we're also testing the mic. See how it performs.
At the start of the video, you may notice that the slight imperfections on my face appears as blackheads. This demonstrates that no enhancement is applied when using the front-facing camera for video. The quality remains consistent with zero beautification while taking photos using the front-facing camera. In low light conditions at night, the camera performs adequately, producing usable video quality. Moving on to the video performance using the back camera. The specifications state that the phone can record at 1080p with 30 frames per second. However, in this sample, it seems more like it's 720p with 24 frames per second. And upon checking the unexported video directly from the phone, the video quality looks closer to 1080p or a 1080p video. So for some unknown reason, I don't know why when you exported this, it is a lower resolution. In low light video testing, it's evident that the quality significantly diminishes, resulting in dimmed and less usable video. Overall, the Poco C65 is packed with impressive specs, especially with the utilization of Gorilla Glass. However, it's unfortunate that this phone lacks an IP rating for water and dust resistance. The price is set at 5,499 pesos in physical stores with this version, but online platforms like Lazada or Shopee offer it for 4,999 pesos with platform vouchers. And sometimes, you might even find it at a lower price. My main concern lies in the inconvenience of finding the right spot to effectively use the front-facing camera for video or photos. Regarding Poco's implementation of beautification, it seems somewhat misleading, as demonstrates in our test. The 20% beautification settings appears to be the true default or no beautification mode. This suggests that they intend for users to utilize their beautification application, leading one to believe they've developed an excellent beautification algorithm when in reality, it's merely a manipulation tactics to create that perception. I hope this information assists you in making an informed purchase decision. So don't forget to subscribe and like the video. However, if you don't, you might find yourself with blackheads all over your face. And I'm not kidding. So please check the description below for details on how you can own this phone. Thank you for watching and have a good day.